We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Alright, kind of an update on what's going on. Operation Fall Cleanup is what I'm focused on. I have the cat shed clean, the greenhouse clean. We did a bunch of trimming with the string trimmer. And now I am tackling this area here where the compost bin is. We had a cart over there that had wood cut off ends from when we built the cat shed a year ago. So I went through all of that, put what was salvageable, reusable, good in the wood shop, and the rest I put in a burn pile, like little itty bitty thin slices. And then I pulled all of that cardboard out of the compost area because it's things that we didn't have room for in our trash can at the time, but then it gets rained on and spiders and whatnot. So I pulled it all out, and there was a lot of critters in there, so I'm letting that marinate for a little bit before I go back over there. But what I'm going to do is put all of that in a big box, and then we can put that out with our trash can on Sunday. I can take you over here and show you the baby chicks. You know, we cleaned the chicken coop up about 2 weeks ago, I think, maybe 3 weeks ago now at this point. I don't know. I can't keep track. And we were ready for chicks in the brooder area, they were the reason we had to build the tiny coop. And so now they are actually coming outside running around as well. And I had a few hens that were interested in sitting, and we thought that maybe one of them would say, "Oh my goodness, look, my eggs hatched early," but I couldn't get any of them to take the chicks. So they've just been kind of on their own, but they're doing really good. And we have many different varieties here. None that we have currently or that we've had in the past. All new varieties. They're so cute. Like, I could just leave the camera on them for a while. They're so funny to watch. Anyway, they're doing really well, growing like bad weeds. Incidentally, there's Cookie, one of the hens. She's right there. One of the hens that I thought may take the chicks, and she's always watching them, but she doesn't want to be in with them. Let's see here. And I just have the door propped open with a stick. I don't want it opening automatically. I want to be in control of when that door is open and closed so that I can watch them when they're out. But they're doing really good. They're pretty cute. And there's the main flock. And then, oh look, here's Ranger Danger. Ranger Danger. And Chipmunky. Hey Ranger! I'm pretty sure he knows his name. Chipmunky knows his name. And then here we are with the tiny coop gang. Got pretty much all of them right here, and just the two chicks are over there. One's in the doorway. It's so hard to see them. One's in the doorway and one's next to the ramp with the... Oh, actually they're both down there with Lovey-Dovey now. And then all the rest of the hens and the rooster are here, and everybody is getting along fantastically, and they're really seeming to love their little area. I just see a stick bug in there I need to go rescue. Hold tight, I'll come get you. We don't want the chickens to get a stick bug. Here, you can be on the outside. There you go. And then out here at paddock number 2, Lance has made great strides in getting posts in the ground. So there'll be an H-frame from this post to that post, and then another H-frame from that post to that post, and here in between will be a man gate. And then out farther where he is, there's kind of a double H-frame situation that takes it from this angled fence to a straight fence back. And then there's going to be a 10-foot gate there, so he's digging holes right now to put in an H-frame on the opposite side of the gate. And he has the corner done down there. And over there he has 2 of the 3 posts up for that corner. And then around the corner, so this is where the gate will be right here. Around the corner, there'll be another man gate back there by that gate, so that the existing gate that's on the 2-acre fence will lead into the lane, and then that man gate will lead from the lane into the paddock. And the paddock fence will run parallel to the property fence along that side and down to that corner there, and it'll be it's offset by about 5 feet, so there's like a 5-foot lane there along our property line. But yeah, oh look, he just put that post in the ground. Take your eyes off of him for a second, he's busy doing stuff. So this is what he's been doing for I don't know how long, many days. We had to go get some more posts, and we figured we'd pick up more fencing while we were there. They only had 2 rolls, so we got them, because right now if you think you might want something, you better get it when you see it, because you don't know when they're going to get it back in when they sell out. So yep, right there will be the 10, right there will be the 10-foot gate. Oh, look at that. Just do a kick. If it's not straight, just kick it. Anyway, that's what's been going on. A lot of boring, cleaning and hole digging.
One big post for Knight's Helm Farms. One small blister for Lance kind.
Lance kind. You still have blisters?
Oh yeah.
I don't know why it's so hot today.
I know, it got significantly hotter today. Still doing these, they gotta get done no matter what. And now I am switching off because it's so hot. I am literally sweating so heavily into my gloves, it looks like I have dish hands underneath. So now I'm all pruned up. So now I'm 50-50. Wear this half the time, take them off, do it without them half the time. And I've got a few small blisters, but they're not the giant ones like when I first started doing this.
Yeah.
And the blisters always happen where you don't have your calluses, which is just awesome. I mean, of course they're going to do that, but right. It's just weird. Why don't you have the calluses in the right place to begin with? Because I've been doing this for a long time. But no. The work always finds some way of finding new places to give me blisters. Look straight.
Looks straight to me.
It's slightly crooked, but
you kicked it. So
yeah. It better be straight. I kicked it.
It's straight, yeah. Well, it is. Yeah, the post itself is not exactly straight.
Right.
But
it's crooked.
It's straight in the ground.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah, from this side it looks good.
Okay.
It just, it has a little bit of a, that way right here
Yeah.
on the top.
Well, then that begs the question. Hey, go. Should still be plenty of room for
Yeah,
it.
there
right?
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there we go.
Yep. And that way we can come down the driveway and pull in here if we need to.
Yeah. And I don't know. It's for my own sanity, but we like drilling these bolts in there as far as they'll go. So this thing doesn't get crooked on its own, independent of the post getting crooked. So, you know, a lot of people don't go all the way in. We go pretty close to all the way in just because be on the safe side. Yeah, this works.
I like it.
Yep.
I like that you have the hinges there too, because most livestock trailers open that way. And so then you will be able to open this one that way, back the trailer up, open that gate that way, and you've created a little chute.
Yeah.
You can't go anywhere.
Our Alpaca stock trailer.
Yeah.
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 Yep. All right, so I've got another hole to do over there, one over there, and that'll probably be it for today.
And 4 over there.
4 over there, yes. I don't know what time it is even. My
Well,
watch told me at some point it
it's
was
5
like
o'clock.
5:07.
It's 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Your watch told you?
My watch just went and decided, you know what, you should know what time it is. It's 5:07.
It told you that?
Yes.
Oh,
yeah.
that's funny.
I'm like, what the heck? I thought it was my phone, but no, it's coming from my left-hand side. So it had to be my watch.
Huh. Mine says interesting things sometimes.
Mini Siri. And that's what most people don't know that wear these type of items. That's what happened when you're sweating your ass off. And when you're sweating a lot and your clothes actually make your cell phone or your watch think that you're touching it and giving it commands. It happens to me all the time out here when I'm doing this. And I don't know, it never made me jump, but now I'm just kind of used to it.
The first time mine did anything to me, I had just walked into the shop. And
that would be kind of creepy.
all of a sudden it says, "I'm right here."
Yeah.
And I'm like, who's right here?
Yeah.
And what said that? Yeah, it freaked me out a little bit. I'm right here. Like,
But-
there's not supposed to be anybody
Yeah.
right here.
We do have a small theory on that too, though.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Might have been one of our kids aren't with us anymore saying hi.
Yeah. It was
Which
very weird.
means they would have been really badass if they were still around because they knew how to run technology. That's pretty awesome. But hopefully all of them are with us still.
I believe they are.
Yeah. Yep.
Anyway, this looks really nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yep.
You do good work.
Yep. It's just slow going.
Well, I'm up there battling spiders and scorpions.
Yeah. Spiders and scorpions.
Spiders and scorpions.
Yep. Yeah, so as usual, this is a really big project. Should have it done by the end of the week.
Yeah, right? You just jinxed it.
Well, no, I mean, I think we'll be pretty close. And then
Well, we're not putting
you're doing all the smaller, more visible stuff.
Yeah.
This will look awesome, but it's a huge amount of work. So instead of us normally, like we normally do on here, you always see us, we're together working on this stuff and all. We're dividing and conquering on all the tasks and everything.
Yeah.
Because
Getting a lot of stuff
there's
done.
not a whole lot two people can do on this.
Right. Digging holes.
Yes, digging holes. Luckily, I only have to go 7 feet deep.
Wow.
Actually, I'm going 2 feet deep, 24 inches.
And
That
you got
should
a
be good
new hole shovel.
Yeah, got a new hole shovel. I don't know if we mentioned this previously, but I broke the last one.
Yeah, it was on the last one.
Yeah, so. And now we
Now you have a
sheep
new one.
visiting us. That seemed awful close. Yeah, that sheep came from that direction, and it was. Sounds really.
Yeah, it is really close.
Yeah, somebody
Huh.
got out maybe. I'll start on my next hole. investigate.
I can go
It
investigate.
might be something cool for the camera.
What we were
Sheep escaping.
gonna say though was we're not gonna put in the fence that runs here parallel to our property fence until after we do the property fence. We have to
Yeah.
do that with the new goat fence,
Yeah.
and then we'll put the paddock fence will be this, so the property fence, and then this way 5 feet is the paddock fence, and we're not going to put the paddock fence in, the actual fence in, until after we have the property fence
Yeah.
redone.
Exactly.
So
Reason for that
space.
is because the roll of fencing, it's about 4 feet wide. If we put in the easier, quicker paddock fencing, we may not be able to roll out and get the property fence done.
Right.
It's more sophisticated, stave tough fencing.
That's why I think you probably shouldn't even put those posts up.
Yeah, I need to. I can start on those posts over there.
Yeah.
I know you don't like the sound of that, but
The metal
yeah,
ones for the property
yeah,
fence.
because we're gonna make sure our property fence
Yeah.
is really, really tough, and you've seen it in previous videos. We're not just gonna put wooden posts up. We have extremely thick, extremely tough metal pipe that we're putting in the ground instead. And we're gonna do them once every 40 feet. In between that, then there'll be regular T-posts. And that should be able to handle anything, because our neighbor on this side has cattle, you know, big, burly. So to make sure our fencing is really tough. So yeah, it'll be just like that stuff out there,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Yeah.
Yep, so I'm gonna go back to work.
Okay.
This was a good break.
All right.
The breeze was kind of cooling me off.
Yeah.
I think I've already drank about 3 gallons of water so far. What was it? 3 gallons of water probably. A couple of Waterloos. A couple of body armors, or 1 body armor. And to kick it off, I had to chase it all with a Mountain Dew.
Oh, geez.
Yeah. Extra energy.
All right.
All right. Back to it.
Back to it.
I need hand replacement surgery at some time next week.
Oh my gosh. I don't think so.